10 powerful tips to improve mental health. Number 1, talk to someone you trust. Don't keep it all in. Speaking helps release emotional pressure. Number 2, move your body daily. Walk, run, dance, or exercise. Physical movement lifts your mood. Number 3, limit social media time. Too much scrolling leads to comparison and stress. Take digital breaks. Number 4, get quality sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours, good sleep, better mood and focus. Number 5, eat mindfully. Fuel your brain with healthy, balanced meals. Stay hydrated. Number 6, set boundaries. Learn to say no, protect your energy and peace. Number 7, declutter your environment. Clean space, calm mind, organize your surroundings. Number 8, practice deep breathing. Use techniques like 4 to 7, 8 to reduce anxiety and reset your mind. Number 9, do something creative. Draw, write, sing, or build. Creativity is a natural stress reliever. Number 10, don't be afraid to seek help. Therapy or support groups can guide you. There's strength in asking. Comment below. Which tip do you need the most today?